Hello aspirants, this is Dr. Ramya from Team MDS Conquer. In this 32 series, we are going to discuss about nucleotides. Point number 1. In the genetic code, stop codon is a nucleotide triplet within messenger RNA that signals a termination of translation into proteins. In RNA, UAG amber, UAA occur, UGA opal are stop codons, whereas in DNA, TAG amber, TAA occur are stop codons. Point number 4. The fish, chromosome painting and spectral karyotyping are rapid methods of chromosome identification. Point number 5. The rapid method of chromosome identification in intersex is fluorescence in situ hybridization. Number 6. Probes are required in southern blot, western blot and northern blot tests but not in polymerase chain reaction. The PCR uses Tachman molecular bacon on cyber green dyes. Point number 8. The southern blotting, northern blotting and western blotting techniques are used respectively to analyze DNA, mRNA and proteins. Point number 9. The mitochondrial DNA is a closed circular double-stranded molecule that is transmitted by maternal inheritance and contains no or few introns. The Chargaff's rules for double-stranded DNA states in all cellular DNAs, regardless of the species, number of adenosine residues is equal to number of thymidine residues. Number of guanosine residues is equal to number of cysteine residues. From these relationships, it follows that sum of purine residues equals to sum of pyrimidine residues, that is A plus G equal to T plus C. Ratio of purine to pyrimidine is always around 1. Coming to the base pairing rules, adenine is always paired with thymine, cytosine is always paired with guanine, and complementary sequence of 5 to 3 end always proceeds with 3 to 5. Point number 17. Okazaki fragments are formed during DNA replication. In lagging strand, newly synthesized DNA is made in the form of discontinuous small fragment called Okazaki fragment. It is synthesized in 5 to 3 direction and joined together by DNA ligase to form other daughter strand. Point number 20. In Xeroderma pigmentosa mechanism, for nucleotide excision repair of damaged DNA, it is defective due to formation of thymidine dimers. Point number 21. The thymidine dimer prevent DNA polymerase from replicating the DNA strand beyond the dimer, thus inhibiting the repair of defective DNA. Point number 22. In sickle cell anemia, glutamic acid is replaced by valine at 6th position in beta globulin chain. The sticky patch is generated as a result of replacement of polar residue, that is negatively charged glutamate amino acid, with a non-polar hydrophobic residue valine. This change makes HbS, the sickle cell hemoglobin, less soluble when deoxygenated. Point number 24. In human genome, there are 3 to 10 power 9 base pairs, 3000 megabase of DNA. The estimated total number of genes in human being is around 30,000 to 35,000. In gene cloning, larger fragment of DNA can be cloned in cosmid as it combines the best features of plasmid and phage. Plasmid are about 6 to 10 kilobytes long, small, circular, duplex DNA molecules that confer antibiotic resistance to host cell, whereas phage are DNA fragment of about 10 to 20 kb long, linear DNA molecule into which foreign DNA can be inserted at several restriction enzyme sites. Point number 29. Disruption of native structure is termed denaturation. Physically, denaturation may be viewed as randomizing the conformation of a polypeptide chain without affecting its primary structure. Point number 30. Denaturation results in unfolding and disorganization of secondary and tertiary structure of protein without hydrolysis of peptide bonds. Under ideal conditions, it may be reversible, in which the protein refolds into original native structure when denaturing agent is removed. However, most proteins once denatured remain permanently disordered. The polymerase chain reaction is a test tube method of amplifying a selected DNA sequence. It uses magnesium ion and thermostable DNA polymerase enzyme. That's it for today's 32 series, guys. All the points discussed now are the repeatedly asked questions in previous NEET and AIIMS exam. So revise them well. All the best. Signing off, Ramya, Team MDS Conquer.